Okay, so you somehow managed to get your accounting, your bookkeeping done, and you're about to file sales tax. Well, how do you, the business owner, exactly know if your sales tax is being reported correctly? I'm going to walk you through this one piece. It's a very crucial piece of report that you need when filing sales tax. It's called the sales tax summary and the sales tax audit report. If you're like most business owners, you're probably looking at this going, what the heck does this mean? I will try my best to break it down in a simple and easy to understand manner. So just follow along. First thing we do is we export this into a spreadsheet. And then what we do is we sort every category from largest to smallest. Basically what a sales tax report is, it contains every single transaction that happened in the period, and it's just separated them based on the tax rate. So this first one, it says sales tax GST. These are all your invoices that you're sending to your customers, and it's keeping a tally, and it's telling you how much you've collected, which is right here. Now, I've highlighted the biggest ones in yellow to let you know that if there's ever a GST review, what CRA is going to be looking for is your most significant invoices. So if you don't have all your invoices, it's best to begin to try to retrieve the largest ones. The smaller ones, even if you don't have them, you'll only get dinged a small amount. So the invoices that you have, you're always going to have them, and you can always recreate them. The ones that are a little bit more urgent are the purchases. Anything that you've paid, whether it's to a supplier or a vendor, and you've paid GST on it. Well, in that case, we're telling GST, hey, look, we purchased this GST, and we're going to subtract it from the amount that we owe. Here, it's really important to make sure you have the largest ones, you have the invoice. Even let's say you made it off a credit card, and you know what your credit card says, purchased fuel from Shell. Well, they're going to actually want the receipt. Otherwise, they can deny it. That's essentially it. As a business owner, you should make sure you get this report and you look through. And here's another one: tax exempt. These are transactions where there's no GST paid or collected. So it might be a good idea to scan this, and we might find some that we got to change. Like, okay, Team Coffee, GST was paid on that. So here we might have to recode it. So if you don't have this report, then you're going to be filing essentially blind, because your bookkeeper could have made mistakes, the accountant could have made mistakes. So it's really best to make sure you have this report, you go through it in detail each time you file sales tax.